Get ready to indulge in a flavorful and nutritious meal with my deliciously healthy stuffed peppers. This is a really easy stuffed pepper recipe. We make a curry sauce with a bunch of spices, we add in some ground turkey, and we stuff some bell peppers and just bake them until perfectly cooked through, and it is such a great recipe for meal preps. It's healthy, it's delicious, it is everything I love about a good recipe. All the measurements are in the description, so go check that out if you want to make this at home. Please let me know in the comments if you do and what recipes you'd love to see here on my channel. And before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can join me every week for my new amazing recipes.
We start out with one large yellow onion that we've diced in a large pot with about a tablespoon of olive oil, and we're going to cook that for just about 8 minutes or until translucent. Now we're going to go in with a bunch of spices, a teaspoon each of garam masala, za'atar, chili powder, half a teaspoon of paprika, curry powder, cumin, and red pepper flakes, and we've also added in about a tablespoon of minced garlic. We're also adding in 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of fresh cracked black pepper, and we're going to toast all of that over medium heat for about a minute to really wake everything up. This then gets a 15-ounce can of just regular tomato sauce and 1 cup of chicken stock. We're going to stir all that together and let it simmer for a few minutes to let everything blend together nicely, and then we're going to pour out 2 cups of the sauce and reserve that, and we've got our bell peppers here that are nice and hollowed out. I like to cut them in half so you can serve each bell pepper as a half. So once those are done, we've got the rest of our sauce, except for the reserve, that's sitting on the side, in a bowl that we're going to add 2.5 pounds of 93% lean ground turkey to. If you want to use 99%, go ahead. I just find that it can be pretty dry, so the 93 is a good way to go, and it's still pretty healthy. So we're going to stuff each half pepper with this ground turkey and sauce mixture, and this should get you 4 whole bell peppers worth, so 8 halves. I'm only doing 6 here because that's what I had. But once you stuff each pepper, we're going to take that reserved sauce and pour it over all of that gorgeous stuffed pepper goodness in a 9 by 13 inch dish. We're going to bake this at 350 for about an hour or until cooked through 165 degrees on a thermometer. Let it cool, serve with rice, and it's amazing.
There was a point in time where I actually made stuffed peppers for meal preps every week for a couple months, and I got so sick of them because I use like just classic taco seasonings, or it got really boring, honestly. A couple days ago, I was thinking, what if I did a curry stuffed pepper? And I really just kind of threw all these spices together in the pan, made the sauce, and I was like, that is delicious. We need to film it. And I'm telling you, the flavor, my God, there is so much flavor in that sauce. We didn't even season the turkey directly. We made the sauce and just combined the sauce with the turkey and then poured more over it as we baked it. And you guys, it's incredible. And the fact that it's healthy, sign me up. The full recipe for this is in the description. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and leave me some comments. And of course, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. Thank you guys so much for watching today, and I'll see you next time.